Is the J36 Ultra a scam, or is it actually a decent retro gaming handheld? Let's break it down. First off, don't get confused by the name. The J36 Ultra isn't a pair of earbuds, it's a pocket-sized game console built for retro emulation. It looks like a mashup of classic Game Boy vibes, and you'll find it all over eBay and sites like Kogan.com. Now, is it legit? Yes, the J36 Ultra is a real product. But here's where things get sketchy. It's an OEM device, which means the same hardware is rebranded a dozen different ways. You'll see it called R36S, R36 Ultra, and probably 10 other names. So, what's with the scam talk? It's not a total ripoff, but some ads absolutely exaggerate its power. The specs you see online? They rarely match what's actually inside. I've seen listings promise a 5,000 mAh battery, but the box says 3,000. The processor is an old MediaTek M6592. Not exactly a powerhouse, especially in 2026. When it comes to emulation, here's the honest truth. If you want to play NES, SNES, or Game Boy games, you're fine. But try to boot up something like PlayStation 1 or PSP, and you'll notice lag, choppy audio, and random slowdowns. The hardware just can't keep up. But there's a twist. Unlike a lot of budget handhelds, the J36 Ultra can connect online for fighting arcade games. You can jump into lobbies and battle people over Wi-Fi. It's a cool feature I didn't expect at this price. So, what's the bottom line? For 20 to 40 bucks, it's a fun, cheap way to play retro games on the go. Just don't believe the hype about high-end specs or flawless emulation. The J36 Ultra isn't a scam, but it's definitely not magic either.